Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to get Essentials. Well, Essentials is a plugin for Bukkit servers. It's a really useful plugin and it's really good. So, first step out of all, this is my second plugin video and I wanna hope everybody likes it and enjoys it. And most of all, subscribes. So let's first, I'm gonna go to your web browser. Today I'll be using Google Chrome. When your Google Chrome or any other internet browser opens, you can just go to bukkit.org. The link will be in the description, and then you want to click Get Plugins. And then you want to, where it says Title, you want to click All, and Title again, and you're in Essentials. And then when you're done typing it in, there's going to be Essentials bar as the first one. So you want to click that. After it loads a little, you want to select all three of them, one by one. When that's done, downloads. Click Download Essentials Extras. And then download Group Manager. When that is all done, you want to close everything out and go to your Start menu, add your name, and Downloads. Then you'll look for Essentials, Extra, GM, and Essentials. Right. Now, we want to go to your Bukkit server. Then you want to select Plugins. And then you want to open every WinRAR file and drag that everything that's inside into the plugin folder. Okay. The link for WinRAR will be in the description. Alright, after you've done that, you want to close all the WinRAR files and you want to delete them. After that, you want to go to your back and then click Start that back or whatever your start thing is. And then when everything should start loading. And then it's done. And then you want to go to your Minecraft server. Multiplayer, your server IP, and join. And then you're going to see a file saying plugin metrics collects minimal static data starting in about 5 minutes. That's good. And there's plugins. It's not going to work, but you need to be off. So off Lord 13564. And then you want to do slash menu add Lord 1356 group for an owner. That's gonna make him go into the owner file. And then you change player Lord 1364 to owner. And then you can do slash plugins. And see, all of them are green. That means that everything is working. So you can do slash GM, GM1, GM0, Fly, and more. And I'll be right back, guys. I'm back, and that's it go. Now, and thanks for watching. So hope you subscribe and like the video. See you later, guys. Peace out.